Mr. Schiff, Adam Schiff, you lied about Russia. You lied about Ukraine. Excuse me, sorry about that. What are you going to do when the deep state can't protect you anymore?
Have a nice day.
Why are you attacking President Trump? Baseless allegations. Is this all political?
Have a nice day, sir.
Is this all political? Yes. Scumbag. Thank you for your service, sir.
Thank you.
Adam Schiff, everybody. Give me some. Give me some right now. He needed that question asked to him. He lied about Russia, lied about Ukraine. What's he going to do when the deep state can't protect him anymore? It's time to start investigating the criminal politicians that have broken their oath to our country.